Let's learn how to divide the number 59 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this number 9 here. And we know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 1. Again this one is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 59 divided by 2 is equal to 29.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. So do subscribe the channel.